If you're struggling with lower back pain, no matter if you're an office person or an athlete, this video is perfect for you. Let's begin in Child's Pose. So connect your big toes and bring your knees a bit wider than your hips. Then walk your hands forward and put your head on the mat. Relax here. Center into the moment. Feel how the breath deepens with each inhale and each exhale. Sink your hips into the earth, as well as your chest. Let the lower back muscles relax. Let them know it's time to rest. And with the next inhale, start walking up. And come into tabletop. And bring your knees the width of your hips. And start walking your hands forward again, but don't sink down in your hips. Keep them over your knees. And maybe, if you can, put your chin or your forehead on the mat. Relax here. And put your hands steadily at the top of your mat. And inhale, bring your navel to the spine. Round the spine, let your head loose. And exhale, sink the spine down again into puppy pose. Inhale, push the navel into the spine. And exhale, let go. Feel how you're activating the stiff muscles of the lower back. Go in the tempo of your own breath. Just a couple more rounds. Let the lower back muscles work more and more with each round. And inhale, navel into the spine. Round as much as you can. And exhale, let go. Put the chin or the forehead on the mat. And stay here with the lower back loose, of the chest opening. And if you wish to deepen, grab the front edge of your mat, put your finger toes on the mat, and slowly push your knees off the mat. And come back into Child's Pose. Take one breath here. And exhale, relax any tension. Now roll your spine, laying on your belly. And come into Sphinx. So try to have a 90-degree angle in your elbow and open your chest. Don't sink down into the shoulders. Don't hide the collarbones, but open them up into the sun. Keep the neck long and the upper back muscles active. Don't sink down, but constantly push yourself up through the hands, through the elbows. Sphinx Pose. Keep looking forward or even slightly up. And breathe here. Feel the relaxation in your spine. Keep opening up. One more breath in and a breath out. And bring the chest back to the mat. Put the forehead on your hands and slightly wiggle your toes. Relax the hips. Relax the lower back. Feel the vibration coming from your feet up to the hips and the spine. Now come back into Sphinx and bend your left leg and try to catch your leg with the left hand either on the shin or on the ankle. If you cannot, use a yoga strap and push your leg into the hand. You can elevate your knee slightly. Keep looking forward. Here also don't sink down into the shoulder, but keep pushing out with your right hand up from the shoulder joint. Breathe here. Try to keep the shoulders and the hips in one line, parallel to the front of the mat. And exhale, let go. Switch sides. So catch your right ankle or your shin with the right hand and push up. Push with your foot into the hand. Feel the arc that your spine is creating. Keep opening up through the chest. Don't sink down into it. Keep looking forward. And one more breath in. Push with your foot a little bit more. And exhale. Come back. Now we will do a symmetric variation. So first, lower your chest, bring your feet to your buttocks, and then catch your ankles or your feet. And slowly push with the ankles into the hands. Elevate your knees slightly and come into bow. Don't look down on the mat, but rather look forward. This will abandon the strain in your neck. Keep pushing with the legs into the hands and feel the arc in your lower back. And take one more breath in here. Push with the legs a little bit more. This is the last breath. And exhale. Bring the knees on the mat. Bring the hands on the mat. And push yourself back into child's pose again. Rest here. Take a breath. Feel the freedom created in your lower back. Now come back through tabletop onto your back. And elongate your left leg and bring your right knee to the elbow. Hug it, move it a little in the hip joint, and then bring the right knee to the left side. Open your chest to the right, open your right hand to the right as well, and look to the right. Feel how the center of the twist is your navel. With each inhale, create more space in the abdomen. With each exhale, use that space to twist a little bit deeper. If this feels too mild for you, you might catch your left foot with your right hand and push with the foot into the hand, like we did in bow pose. Keep pushing with the foot into the hand, but keep the right knee on the floor. Now with this variation, you might feel slightly an additional stretch of the left hip flexor. And inhale, return to center. And let's switch sides. So let your right leg long on the mat and hug your left leg. Move it a little from side to side. Feel the difference in the hips. And pull your left knee to the right. Open your chest and take your gaze to the right side. And again, if this feels too mild for you, Then catch with your left hand your right leg and push with the leg into the hand. Try to keep your left shoulder on the floor, as well as your left knee. Breathe here. Twist here. Let go of any tensions, any thoughts. Follow the breath. And let the next inhale bring you back to center. Now hug both of your knees. Roll them from side to side. Feel the gentle relaxation in your lower back. And inhale. And with the exhale, spread your limbs. Come into Savasana. Let the breath deepen again after the practice. Scan your body. Feel the relaxation. Let go of any tension. Notice how different the body feels after the practice. Stay here as long as you need. And once you're ready, wiggle your toes and your fingers. Reawaken the body. If you have reached the end of this video, please do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment below what you would like to see next. This would help us really grow and make more videos for you.